you tired of wrinkles, dry skin, and a tired looking complexion? Then this simple beauty oil might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's make it together. First, I'm taking a fresh cucumber, cutting it in half and shredding one of the halves. Cucumber is naturally rich in water and contains beneficial vitamins and antioxidants, which is why it's such a popular ingredient in DIY routines. Now it's time for the next refreshing ingredient, a fresh lemon. I'm only grating the yellow outer peel, also known as the zest, and leaving the white part behind. Lemon zest is naturally rich in antioxidants and contain beneficial plant compounds that make it a popular ingredient in many homemade beauty recipes. So girls, make sure you subscribe. We're close to 1K. Next, I'm placing a clean muslin cloth over a glass. I'll transfer the shredded lemon and cucumber onto the cloth. Always remember, consistency is the key for skincare. Well, where are my glow girls watching from? Comment your country and today's weather. I'd love to see how far our little glow army has reached. Now gently squeeze it to separate the fresh liquid from the pulp. Take your time with this step and press carefully to extract every drop of this natural refreshing juice. As you can see, a beautiful light green color is collected in the bowl. Now I'm taking a clean glass jar and adding all of the cucumber and lemon pulp into it. This pulp is packed with natural fiber and tiny vitamins, making it perfect for a simple homemade beauty recipe. Next, I have olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and is loved in natural skincare. I'm adding 130 ml of olive oil into it. It's time for the fun part. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to gently heat our mixture using the water bath method. I'm placing a towel into a saucepan. Place the glass jar, fill with water. Make sure the water surrounds the jar without overflowing. This gentle heating method helps warm the ingredient even without exposing them to direct heat. Now we'll let it sit in the water bath for 35 to 40 minutes. Now our infused mixture is ready and it's time for one of my favorite parts. I'm placing a fine strainer over a clean beaker and carefully pouring the mixture through it. Take your time and gently press the pulp to extract every last drop of the beautiful infused oil. Just look at that gorgeous golden green color. It already looks so rich and luxurious. Now I'm adding almost 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is loved in natural skincare because it's rich in beneficial fatty acids and antioxidants, making it a popular ingredient for keeping the skin feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. Next, I'm adding 10 to 12 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is widely used in DIY beauty recipes because it helps provide skin extra nourishment and support a healthy looking skin barrier. Finally, I'm transferring the finished oil into a clean airtight container. This nourishing oil can be stored in an airtight container for up to 1 month. For best results, apply a few drops to clean skin before bedtime and gently massage using upward circular motion. If you prefer, you can also use it twice a day as part of your regular skincare routine. Combination of cucumber, lemon, olive oil, rosehip oil, and vitamin E creates a lightweight blend that helps the skin feel young, smooth, and soft and deeply nourished. And glow girls, before we finish, let's use that beautiful cucumber and lemon liquid to make one more refreshing DIY. I'm taking a clean glass bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is one of the most loved skincare ingredients because it's known for its soothing and hydrating properties. It helps the skin feel soft, refreshed, and comfortable. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of our fresh cucumber and lemon liquid. This lightweight blend gives the serum a fresh, cooling feel while combining the natural goodness of cucumber and lemon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join our Glow family. Now mix until everything comes together into a silky, lightweight serum. Look at that texture. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the cucumber beauty oil we prepared earlier. The oil adds an extra nourishing touch to help leave the skin feeling smooth, soft, and moisturized. Mix everything well, and just like that, our beautiful serum is ready. Now we'll transfer the serum into a clean jar that will make it easy to use. Store it at room temperature for 14 to 15 days to keep it fresh. For each use, apply 4 to 5 drops to clean skin and gently massage using upward circular motion. Allow the serum to absorb naturally in the skin without drying it off, leaving your skin feeling fresh, hydrated, and nourished. Before you guys go, tell me in the comments, what is your skin type? So girlies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support your girl. We're close to 1K. Take care of yourselves, stay consistent. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, Glow girls.